Yo, step into my kitchen where the magic's real. Appliances running this joint, it's surreal. Toaster pops like the Cheshire Cat, always got a grin. Each slice of bread's a quantum leap, time to begin. Blender whirls like a vortex, mixing up the scene. Like Alice's tea party where everything's extreme. It's existential, man, the blender's got its spin. Is it real or just a dream? That's the question within. Wonderland Mechanics. House of gadgets with raw quantum mechanics. Existential thoughts in every gadget's antics. Alice in the blender falling down the rabbit hole. Home appliances run the show, control the whole. Fridge keeps the secrets like the queen of hearts. Cold as quantum zero, playing its part. It questions existence like Sartre on the shelf. Is it just a machine or something else? Dishwashers like the caterpillar puffing on logic. Cleaning up our chaos, keeping it symbolic. It's all about the choices, like in Camus tell. Every cycle's a decision, existential detail. Quantum Wonderland, 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 Wonderland. Our lives are like electrons on certain paths we choose, entangled in this kitchen where we've got nothing to lose. Alice's adventures, they're quantum superpositions. Existential journeys through our daily compositions. Microwaves like the Mad Hatter, time's a funny thing. Heating up our thoughts while we ponder everything. Existential dread or joy depends on how you see. Just like Alice, we're all trapped in this reality. Coffee maker's the white rabbit, always in a rush, brewing up questions like shooting his cat in a hush. Is the coffee there or not? Until you pour it out in this kitchen, life's a mystery, no doubt. Wonderland Mechanics. In this house of gadgets, we're all quantum mechanics. Existential thoughts in every gadget's antics. Alice in the blender, falling down the rabbit hole. Home appliances run the show, control the whole. So next time you flip that switch, think deep. Cause in this modern wonderland, life's not cheap. From toasters to blenders, we're all in this dance. Quantum mechanics, existential stance. So next time you flip that switch, think deep. Cause in this modern wonderland, life's not cheap. From toasters to blenders, we're all in this dance. Quantum mechanics, existential stance.